Hi, hello guys. I just want to show this project. You can see it's called Indecision app. This is where most of the functionality is done. We have it's just we handle the state here in this class component. Um, it's just an array of options and we have to select one. So let me just run the project npm run. I'm using Webpack, so I have this dev server to run it in this port. So let me open and paste here. Okay. Okay, so you can see here the header and the style and everything. I did it with Sass. Let me show you. Here I am using some Sass files and I have the integration for that in the Webpack config. Um, and let me show how this works. So here it says please add an option to get started. So we have an empty array. So let me just walk the dog. So it's showing this red underline because my native language is Spanish. So if I write something in English, it will just give me this underline, this weird. Let me just, if I say something in Spanish, it's okay, you see? So, but let me just do it in English. What the dog. Um, okay, so we create this option, then we can this button. Um, you see, this button gets enabled after we create our first option. If I remove this, the button gets disabled again. So that's one functionality. Then, okay, so let me show you walk the dog. Let me create like three options. Feed the cat, uh, talk to uh, the parrot. I don't know if it's talk to the parrot or talk to just parrot. I don't know. It's okay. Let me see. If I click here, I have a random function that selects between one of the options that we have on the array. So in this case, we have walk the dog. That's talk to the parrot. Walk the dog again. Talk to the parrot. Seems like it doesn't want to feed the cat. Yeah. Oh my god, the cat must be starving. Okay, there we go. Feed the cat. Um, okay, so we can remove each individual item, or we can just click here and remove all. So you see, this just removes everything. And if I have a little bit of input validation. For example, if I leave this this field empty like this, um, it says please add an option to get started. Let me just uh, leave it blank. And also let me see, if I enter a repeated value, I think that that's another case for validation. For example, if I say uh, feed the cat and then I try to feed the cat again, it says that this option already exists. So you can see. Um, what else? So this pop-up for creating a model, I had to use um, a library called React Model, and then it was kind of hard to style because it had everything styled. So to create the styles from scratch is what it was kind of tricky. Um, um, and what else? So let me just, for example, this will become scrollable if you put more options. Like for example, let me just B, sorry, B, C. You see, now it's scrollable. C, you have this scroll bar. So, um, okay, let me just delete and delete. And let me show you how this looks in a cell phone because we want to have covered that too. So it looks like this. It's indecision. You scroll down and you see this button change. It was um, it was next to the input, but in a cell phone we have a media query and converts the button into this. And that's pretty much it. Then the functionality is the same. We just have to let me just walk the dog and click here, and you have right there. So um, let me just delete this one, and yeah, is that's pretty much it. Let me show you this. So feed the cat, walk the dog. Okay, so that's it for this project. Is I hope you like it. I put a lot of effort in the styling part because I know that um, I think that to the beginning of this year, this glassy uh, like glass effect was trendy. So I tried to do some styling with that, like put some transparency on the dips and some blur effects, and yeah, it looks like this. Um, and for the functionality, it's just simple React with classes. I didn't use hooks yet, but I will try to uh, update it, like to use hooks, so to see how can we refactor the code. So I think that's it. Let me just stop the recording. Bye bye.